Alright, so gumawa kami channel. For everyone na ngayon pa lang, of course, di naman ako masyadong kilala, no? My name is Mong Feliciano. Nagsimula ako sa Cultured. After na nagkaroon ng Purveyor Post, then doon na nanganak ng Resonate, ng Stockroom, ng From Within, ng Quarantimes. Isa ako sa mga direktor ng Surfbirds Productions. Ginawa namin tong channel na to kumbaga extend lang, no? Yung medium namin, and of course share my knowledge and as well learn from you guys on how we can push through sa culture and how we can introduce it as well sa international platform. So what I'm doing right now, we're gonna do some videos na may concern sa branding, sa marketing, sa local brands, local products, local food deliveries. Yun ang mga trip namin ngayon no? At the same time, gusto rin namin mag-review ng music videos. Gusto rin namin gumawa, no? Ng mga skit. Ang hirap gumawa nito, man. So, for everyone that is watching right now, isa din kami sa gumawa ng From Within. It's a full documentary about streetwear culture. And nasa link lang din sa baba, no? Ang gulo, no? Ang gulo nung makalat ang aming first video and episode kasi we're trying to kapain pa lahat. And as well, this is an extension of Quarantimes. So sa mga nanonood ngayon, baka gusto nyo mag-comment kung sino yung gusto nyo ma-interview ko na sa tingin nyo, no? Sa tingin nyo dapat ma-interview or yung mga na-miss ko during the pandemic. What I want to do is I want to not just give them support or not just to promote them, but more likely dig deeper dun sa kung ano yung gusto nilang i-express. So, more on this channel is about branding, marketing. So, I want to dive in to their stories, what they think about the current situation right now. So, I'm just trying my best to at least share my knowledge, and bago pa lang ako dito. So, if you think that I can discuss a lot more, you can do comments. And of course, for the other links, syempre nasa baba lang lahat yan. What we're gonna do for the next few, we're gonna do, I think the first episode will be about the streetwear review. And as well, I want to discuss some of my sneakers na hindi talaga, hindi ito yung mga hype sneakers na hahanapin nyo pa sa StockX. Hindi ganun, no? Hindi ako yung namimili lang bigla, no? For the heck of it. Hindi ganun. I'm gonna discuss the shoes, my sneakers, and the story behind it. As well, why I want to thrift. Saan ako mahilig mag-thrift. At ano ba yung magandang produkto sa akin. Kasi most of the time, sa dami ng brands ngayon na naglipa na, it's actually good, no? Pero syempre, may mga oras din na, diba, parang nangyayari lang, ginagawa lang nila kasi peer pressure lang, no? Na ano lang, nadala lang ng panahon. So, gusto ko ding mas ma-dive in kung ba't nila ginagawa to. And of course, for the meantime, that's it for the first episode. This is just an introductory episode. So maraming salamat sa madalas na pagsuporta, and watch out for the next videos.